আসসালামাইকুম প্রিয় দশম শ্রেণীর সকল শিক্ষার্থীদেরকে অনলাইনে ক্লাসের পক্ষ থেকে আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আজকে আমরা ক্লাস 10 এর ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপারের উপরে ক্লাস নেব। আমরা জানি যে ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপারে যে সকল বিষয়গুলি আলোচনা করতে হয় তার ভিতরে সবচেয়ে বড় ইম্পর্টেন্ট হলো বেসিস দেখে প্রশ্নের উত্তরটা দাও। I want to invite you to go back to take up your book and to Unit 5, Lesson 1. If you open the book, then you can find the picture, the grading of the mighty river. Now we have to discuss about the passage. First, you read the passage, then you can give the answer of this question. Learners, try to read the passage. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shazgan town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Meherjan lives in a slum. Shazgan's embankment. Her polythene roof, because her house is made by polythene, like a cage. She is nearly 45, but looks more than her age. Her actual age is 45, but the face is like a more than. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make fire to cook the day's only meal. She is trying to fire to cook her day's meal. Her weak hand, that the hand is weak, tremble, that means shaking. As she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. We know that some leaves which are falling from the tree, when the leaves become dry, we can make fire by using these leaves. And the straw, we know about the straw. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. Whispering that the breeze of the wind which come from the Jamuna, and that makes the fire unsteady. It is not actually steady. The fire is waving up and down. The dancing flame reminds Meherjan of her turmoil in her life. That is the fire of the fire is like the life of Meherjan, because the fire is symbol of the Meherjan. When the fire is becoming up and down, the life of the fate of Meherjan is like up and down. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, a cultivable land, and a cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her land property. One day Meherjan has a lot of things, but today a family, cultivable land, cattle, everything has Meherjan. The erosion of Jamuna, erosion when the river monsoon, at the time of monsoon we can see the river erosion. The erosion of Jamuna gradually consumed all her land property, but the consumed, that means everything she has lost. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meherjan's house, trees, vegetable garden, and bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Through the passage, through the line, we can understand that Meherjan has everything, but today she has lost house, trees, vegetable garden, bamboo bush. She had a family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease and that cruel hunger, poverty brought to him. Gradually, she lost her husband, she lost her family, and the cruelty of cruel hunger and poverty, hunger that needy, and poverty comes to her family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and pain. Meherjan has lost her husband, her children, but she is only one person. Now she is living with the loss and pain because she has lost everything, but she has also lost her husband and children, so that is the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dream and happiness. The greedy Jamuna has shattered that means closed her dream and happiness. Dream, that means she has a dream to lead a paradise life in the world, but it also already has gone. Happiness, now she is living through pain. There are 1,000 others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. The story of Meherjan is like the story of other people. Bangladesh is a land of river, some of whose bank overflow eroded during monsoon. At the time of monsoon, we see many of the land are going to the river. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river bank. River erosion, we know. By the erosion, people lost their land, lost their house, lost their paddy field, lost their vegetable garden, everything they lost by the erosion of river. During this monsoon, many more villagers are threatened by the mighty river like Jamuna or the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. Through the pages, we have find a message that river erosion, by the river erosion, every year in Bangladesh, about 1 lakh people have lost their house, lost their paddy field, lost their home, everything. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. Now, why in Bangladesh we see river erosion? Because the climate change. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjan in our town and villages every year. If we don't want to protect the climate change, we can see every year like the Meherjan in Bangladesh. Learners, by reading the pages, where you will find in your question the pages, at first you read the pages, then you can give the answer of this question. Now I want to write some vocabulary. Shelter. People where they want to live. House. Next, in front of. It is one kind of phrase, in front of, which is happening in front of your eyes, near of your eyes, that is in front of. Next, cook. Cook, that means when we want to boil some food, that is called cook. Next, tremble. Tremble, that means shaking of a hand. What kind of thrill? Thrill, that the similar word, thrill. Tremble, same word. Whispering. Whisper, that means the sound of the wind. The sound of the wind, that is called whispering. Next, erosion. Erosion, that means when losing the land by the ruling stream of water, that is called erosion. losing the land by the stream of water, that is called erosion. Property, that's wealth. The similar word is wealth. Property. Next, hunger. A person who is very enthusiastic to eat meal, that is called hunger. Shutter. Closed. Shutter, that means shut down, one kind of closed. Next, estimate. Then to justify it is right or wrong, that is called estimate. Now learners, we want to discuss the answer of this question. The question is included of your good book. You can see A, B, C, D, E. Learners, this question's answer you can find in the pages. But my question is that how you can find out the question from the pages. First, what does Meherza use to make fire for cooking her meal? Learners, when you will find the question, the answer question, you must find out the answer for the pages, but you should not try to write the same line which have you find in the pages. You should change some structure. Just for example, what does Meherza use to make fire for cooking her meals? You can see in the pages here, she is trying to make a fire to cook the dish on the meal, or we can you can some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. What does Meherza use to make fire for cooking meals? Here you can leaves and straw. You can write the answer. A. Meherza uses leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meals. But my question is that you can find 2 marks but giving every question's answer. But the answer is, we can see it is for 1 mark. So you must write the sentence little bit long. Now you can write Meherza the old woman whose name is Meherza uses leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meal. The old woman whose name is Meherza uses leaves and straw to make fire for cooking meal. the sentence is become the sentence is written a little bit long. So you must try to find the 2 marks for every sentence. I can write the old woman, the unlucky woman. I can write it, but I write every sentence for finding 2 marks. Next question: what property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Through the pages you can find there is a sentence. She lost a family cultivated land and cattle. It is of her wealth, property. Now you can write the answer of this question. Next, what do you know about Meherjan family? We can find the answer of this question. We know about the Meherjan family. She has a husband and children, and by the erosion of river Jamuna, she has lost them. Next question: in which season is river erosion most likely to occur? Through the passages we can find, we have found that monsoon. At the time of monsoon, I know about the at the time of monsoon, river erosion mostly occurs in Bangladesh. Next question: what is the phrase greedy Jamuna? What is the phrase greedy Jamuna? Used to describe the river. Greedy Jamuna. Jamuna is a river. Why it is greedy? Why is it greedy? Because at the time of monsoon, the water of the Jamuna rises up, so that the stream of water, it makes the erosion of land, so that it is called greedy Jamuna. Why greed do you notice in the scripture? When I describe the passage, I see that it is called greed. Greed, that means the person who lost his or her wealth by someone who wants to grasp his land, his property, that is called greed. So, learners, you must read the passage thoroughly and give the answer of this question, which is of your homework. I have given the 4 questions answer of your homework. So you can write the questions answer in your pages, in your paper. Then you take some photograph and then upload the photograph in your Facebook, YouTube, where you have seen the pages in the YouTube. Then you can upload the photograph. Then we'll see of your homework and give some number, which is very important for your result. I think you must do of your homework and you become very happy, lead a happy life, and become a good person and make a golden future in your life. Thank you all of you.